Hello loves, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today I have a Monday Funday haul from Miss Kate. She had another amazing $8.99 paper pad on sale. So you know me, I had to go ahead and grab it. But let's go ahead and check out what I was able to get for $8.99. So for $8.99, she had the Christmas Joy kit, which is a 12 by 12 paper pad. And it does have 20 sheets of paper, 39 designs, and it also has a sticker sheet. And of course, I went ahead and bought the matching die cuts with this so that I have it for this kit. So let's go ahead and check out this beautiful kit. OMG. Just look at this one here. Oh wow, look at that. So you can also use these little papers here too. And then you got the black background with snowflakes. Beautiful. And if you haven't bought from Miss Kate, her paper quality is really, really good. Look at that. How pretty is that? And this is double-sided, so oh wow, look at all the cut parts. Look at all the cut parts. Love, love, love. And then the deer. Amazing. Look at that. Amazing. And then more cut parts. I like her stuff. Her stuff is a little whimsy, which I really, really love. Look at that. Love it. And a lot of her kits can be mixed matched with a lot of others. That is beautiful. Oh wow, look at the poinsettias. And this does have like a little shine to it. Real nice. Look at that. I love it. Love, love, love. And then you got the polka dots. Like that. Christmas joy. You even got the sweater. The little fireplace. Beautiful. Oh, you got mittens. That. Oh, wow, look at that. Beautiful. You have some Christmas lights. That. I don't know about you, but I am so behind on crafting. I feel like I'm not going to be able to catch up. Look at that. And the time is flying. Oh, look at this. This is elegant. Snowflakes. That one. Beautiful. Wow. Love, love, love. Love it. That. They have the stripes. I do love my stripes. This one, beautiful. Oh, wow, look at that green. Love it. The candy canes. Then you have the red on with the stars. The Santa. Look at the cutie. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh, look at that. Real nice. Gingy. Look at that. The Gingy. Oh, wow. Beautiful. The snowman with mittens. Oh, and with snowflakes in the background. Then you got snowflakes there. The poinsettias. Beautiful. Oh wow. Don't know if it shows, but look at that. It reminds me of snow blowing in the wind. Beautiful. And then you also have this on green. And then red polka dots. It's like the tan kind of, it's like another tan creamish color. Now look at the stockings. Oh, love it. Love this kit. And the snowflakes. And then let's check out the stickers. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. So that goes the paper pad and the stickers. And then let's check out the die cuts. Now with the price of $8.99, I do try to get the die cuts if they're in stock. So, and I got one for each pack. Let's look at what comes in it. Look at that. And this one, you get 66 cardstock die pieces. That is beautiful. Oh, look, she does got cuttables also. So you want, you can scan through that. But yeah, let's look at some of these. And I love the quality of her stuff. I really do. Look at that. So you got Christmas. You have fireplace. Cute as that. Merry Christmas. Merry and Bright. You got the cuties. Snowman. I always want to call him Santa for some reason. And I do the same thing for Santa. You got your holly. You got the Santa. You have some snowflakes. The candy cane. Oh, look at the deer. You got the deer with the Christmas lights. You got some more holly. Then the coffee. Love this. And then look at that. And then you got Christmas. Plus you still got more in there. So yeah, she does have Monday Funday. I love Monday Funday. So far I've gotten almost everyone. I missed a few because I forgot about it. But do subscribe to her shop, because she does let you know when she has these available for the Monday Funday. But yeah, this is my little Monday Funday haul I want to share with you. And yeah, I love the kit. I haven't been disappointed. So remember to subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you know when I upload a video. And leave any comments below, because I sure do love talking to you guys. And yeah, with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.